KevG weather overview. Happy Father's Day to all, and this is the first day of, technically, the first day of summer as well. Longest day of the year, so enjoy the sunlight while we have it, and every day gets shorter from here on out. Now, the record high for today is 98. We're going to be nowhere near that. In fact, temperatures will be very nice and pleasant for most of the area. Perhaps highs touching 90 just west of New York City, and maybe in and around parts of the city. But everywhere else, it's mid and upper 80s with reasonable humidity levels, definitely less than what we had yesterday. Now, the Weather Prediction Center, they have total precipitation of around 3/4 of an inch for the week or so, and mainly this is confined west of New York City. So the general theme of rain this week is there'll be more to the west of the city and inland than there will be to the east, including the city and points north and east. Now, for the day to day, we look at the GFS, and there is a front for tomorrow that's going to move in after a pleasant day today with no issues. There's going to be a front that moves in tomorrow, and showers and thunderstorms are going to start to bubble up in the afternoon and evening. And the question is, will they make it towards the coast? But I think that all in all, these showers and storms will be confined just inland. But the problem is that the frontal system gets hung up along the coast. It doesn't really move out. So I think we'll have leftover clouds and perhaps a good chance at showers on Tuesday for the entire area. So a better chance, widespread showers. It looks like it's for Tuesday rather than Monday, but the further inland you go Monday, you've got a shot at showers tomorrow to start off the week. And then it's high and dry as high pressure reasserts itself. And then we get into the weekend, and this is by the time we hit Saturday. The humidity values will start to come up again. And then by Saturday night and Sunday, there'll be another frontal system. And basically, the question is going to be for late in the weekend, does this front get hung up along the eastern seaboard and provide the area with a decent amount of rain for Sunday into Monday? It looks like the model wants to just keep this front very close to the area, even into early next week. Now, because we're 7 or 8 days away, this is, subject to change, but it's one of the things that we're going to have to keep in mind, one of the forecast dilemmas going forward. So I think basically after Tuesday, we're okay through about Sunday, and then we're going to have to wait and see if this front wants to drape itself across the area and keep things unsettled for late in the weekend into early next week. So that's the general theme of the weather this week. Temperatures today very pleasant. As for Monday, most areas should see mid and upper 80s with those showers in the inland locations. Tuesday, there'll be plenty of clouds around and highs only in the mid 70s with the risk of showers pretty much on and off throughout the entire day. I don't think it'll be a complete washout, but plenty of clouds around and definitely lower temperatures. And then that front gets kicked out so that by Wednesday we have pleasant temperatures, highs around 80. Same thing with Thursday, highs around 80, another good one. And Friday, the temperatures come up ever so slightly, with temperatures basically around 80 once again. And then Saturday, I think, is your best bet right now for next weekend if you're planning ahead, with the possibility of Sunday being a little bit more unsettled with a frontal system that just kind of wants to sit over the area. And we'll just have to see how that plays out as we go through this week. But all in all, not a bad week to kick off the official start of summer 2021.